How to fix WhatsApp status couldn't send on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp status couldn't send on Android phone. First, open settings, and now just here we'll find here you need to find apps. Just type here apps and then click on it, and here we'll find all your installed apps. Now just scroll down and here we'll find WhatsApp. Click on it, and then here you will find storage. Now clear cache and then click force stop, and that's it. Now just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, then all you need to do, just you need to open this one here. You need to clean some space, just clean anything you want and your problem will be fixed. And that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.